Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. All right, y'all. I got some butcher hit me up here really nicely. These some Boston butt country style ribs. See how thick those are, y'all? I got them all washed up. I just washed them really good. And look at the thickness of these bad boys. See that? And they got the bone in them. He cut them up for me. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna oven barbecue them. A lot of times I barbecue them outside. You can see how it was a Boston butt. It was a pork butt. See that? But he cut them in ribs like that for me. See that? So what I'm going to do, y'all, I'm going to oven barbecue these. This probably be the last time you see me oven barbecue something until the fall, because it's all about barbecuing outside from now on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them in the oven here. Probably going to take about an hour and a half. But we're going to oven barbecue these bad boys. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get them all seasoned up. Got a little Whorshtire sauce on here. And we're going to put some Uncle Steve shake, pig shake on there, because this is pork. So we're going to use a little pig shake. We're going to do both sides, y'all. We're going to do them really, season really good. So the smoke bomb on there, it's going to give you smokiness, all the smokiness you need right here. The smoke bomb on there. Look at that, y'all. Look at this, y'all. We're going to turn them over and do the other side. Matter of fact, y'all, you know what I'm going to do? So it doesn't mess up. I'm going to get my, because I don't want it to mess up in that liquid. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn them over on my sheet pan here. That way the other side doesn't get, the other seasoning on the other side doesn't get messed up, because the moisture that's in the meat, it'll make it rub off. So we're going to put it right on my pan right now. And I'm using a sheet pan with a rack, which is important because I don't want it to sit in its own juices. Okay, put a little Worcestershire sauce on here. Worcestershire sauce. Alrighty. Now, a little pig shake. Put that on there like that. Really good. And a little smoke bomb there. That's all I'm going to do. I'm going to put in the oven 425 degrees uncovered for 30 minutes. But after 15 minutes, I'm going to flip them. I'm going to flip it. So I'm going to do really 15 minutes on each side, y'all. 425 to 450. You go as high as 450 if you want to. But what I'm trying to do is dry them out as much as possible where the barbecue sauce can stick to them on the next step. And I'm trying to get the seasoning to stick on there as well. If I just put them in the pan, put them in the oven, whatever, the rub is going to kind of not be as thick as I want it to be on it. So 1 hour, not 1 hour, 30 minutes in the oven, 425 to 450 degrees, depending on how your oven is. I usually try to do 425. After 15 minutes, we're going to flip them over and let the other side get brown. And then we're going to come back, put them in the oven the same way. We're going to put a little water in the bottom if it needed. For moisture, we're going to cover it. We're going to put some barbecue sauce on it. Cover it with foil. We're going to go about 20 minutes on each side. Turn over, brush it with, I'll just show you the method. It's going to take about an hour and a half to cook these bad boys in the oven. So, anyway, we'll be back when we turn them over the first time. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, y'all, I did like 20 minutes on these on one side. Okay, now all I want to do, y'all, I want to take them over. Take them and turn them over. I want to get a nice color on the other side. See, like I got that color on that side. We're going to turn them over and get a nice color on the other side. And I'm going to do that for 15, 20 minutes. Same here, 425 to 450 degrees. And you see that nice seasoning on there. You want to get a nice color on there. And when you come back, after that, I'm going to brush one side with barbecue sauce with the side that's up right now. I might put a little water in the pan. I'm going to cover it up with foil and let it go about about 20 minutes or so. Come back, I'm gonna turn it over, put barbecue sauce on the other side, go 20 minutes or so with it. We're gonna cook it, I like cooking almost an hour like that. And then we're gonna check it after that and make sure it's done. Then we're gonna do the final barbecue sauce, get that nice glaze on them. And that's gonna be finished, y'all. It's gonna be nothing better than some oven, the Boston butt, country style ribs. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. First thing y'all do, you're gonna turn the oven down to 350 degrees. Do that the first so you don't forget and put them in the oven at 400. But you don't want to put them in the oven after this point at 450. Turn it down to 350. It's very important. Do it now. Okay, now you're gonna use some thick barbecue sauce on there. Y'all know I like my Sweet Baby Ray's. Use whatever thick barbecue sauce you like. And we're gonna put a little water in the bottom of this pan and we're gonna cover this. And I'm gonna cook it about 15-20 minutes on each side. I just want to brush a little sauce on there. I don't want to brush it too hard because I don't want to mess up the seasonings. Just like this. Take your time. You ain't got nothing to do watching all my children over there. So y'all can do this while you watch the stories and vacuuming the floor or whatever you're doing. Mowing the yard outside. Washing clothes. You know the buzzer on the washing machine went off 25 minutes ago, but you still ain't went and checked it. And put them in the dryer. You know them people. Y'all know who you are. It take you 4 hours to wash a load of clothes because you don't take them out when the buzzer go off. Okay. All right, y'all. We're going to do about 20 minutes on this side. I'm going to put a little water in here. Make sure I got enough sauce on here. Let that sauce go on there. All right, let me get my aluminum foil. My little cup here. I'm going to put a little water in there. Yeah, we're going to run over the tripod. Kenneth started that trend on YouTube, y'all. Running over the tripod. That's a YouTube TikTok trend. Run over the tripod. Okay, we're going to put a little water in here because I want a little moisture in this as it's cooking. So I'm going to add some moisture here to the pan. That's why I got it on the rack. Because I don't want this sitting in the liquid. But I still want it to kind of steam as it's cooking. Because not it's going to be too dry. Okay. My aluminum foil here. Just a second, y'all. Just a second. Now I like to spray the inside of this foil so it doesn't stick to the ribs, to the sauce. That's something I do. And I know you can buy that foil that has a non-stick. That stuff does not, that foil is horrible. It has no structure to it. And I don't like it. I'll rather just spray mine because when I do actually barbecue and use that foil, it doesn't work. It's something in it that doesn't allow it to really stick, fold over completely. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the oven. I'm gonna put it about 25 minutes, y'all. On this side, I'm gonna come back. We're gonna flip them over. We're gonna do the other side 25 minutes. After that, we're gonna take them out, and then we're gonna put them on barbecue sauce on them one more time, uncover, for like 5-6 minutes. So anyway, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay, now we're gonna flip these bad boys over. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at this. Okay. Like I said, we're just gonna flip them over. I'm making a mess up, Jeffrey. And we're gonna put barbecue sauce on the other side. We're gonna cook them all the way on the other side, y'all. Got barbecue sauce all on the counter here. Put these over here. And then we're gonna cook them another probably 30 minutes here. Oh, let me get my barbecue sauce here. And these things smell absolutely amazing, y'all. Absolutely amazing. Okay. Go right here on this side. Oh yeah. Get my brush here. Gonna brush that on there really, really nicely. Sure, you don't want to brush off the seasoning, but the seasoning is pretty much on there now. And then we're going to do another 30 minutes, and we want them to be pretty much completely tender. So this is the point where it might be longer than 30 minutes, depending how thick they cut them, how thick your ribs are. But we definitely want to, and I'm going to show y'all a little, I'm going to add a little honey to this on my glazing. I'm going to add some honey to my barbecue sauce when I do the final glazing, but that's pretty much it, y'all. I'm going to put a little bit more water in here in the bottom. But that's what that steam from the water here is what helps it stay moist. Will help it stay moist and not dry out on you. That's the key. See that? Gotta put a little liquid on there. Okay, we're gonna cover these back up, put them in the oven. Let me stick a knife in them and see here how long it's gonna take. More than 20 minutes. Oh yeah, it's gonna take about 30 minutes on these. And when you want to be completely tender, when they come out, and then we're gonna do the final glazing, and these things gonna be ready to sample. Old school Boston butt country ribs, y'all. Pork ribs. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Look at this here, y'all. Look at this here. Now, let me get a knife here. Poke in here and make sure these are tender. Oh, yeah, they definitely tender, y'all. Definitely tender here. So, what I want to do now, oh, my God. They definitely tender. So, what I want to do now, I'm going to brush them one more time with my sauce here. But this time I'm going to move this over a little. I'm going to put honey. And get rid of the foil. We don't need the foil anymore. Put honey in this. I got some honey. We're going to do like a honey barbecue glaze on it. Okay. I'm going to add some barbecue sauce to my honey. Ooh, yeah. Mix this up. That's that spice, y'all. Now, we're going to glaze these bad boys one more time. And I'm going to put them in the oven. Just like this. Uncovered. For about 15 minutes. We're going to get that nice glaze on there. Sticky glaze. And it's going to be finished, y'all. Finish, finish, finish. All right. Pretty as that. So, 15 more minutes, uncovered, 350 degrees. In the oven. Look at that, y'all. Tell me that ain't some good eating right there. Get some potato salad and some beans. I'm just making me a fold over with it, y'all. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Just took them out the oven. Look at this. How beautiful it is, y'all. So this took about, let's see here, about a couple of hours maybe. A couple of hours at most. Hour and a half, 2 hours at most, depending on your oven. Depending on the thickness of the ribs that you get. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to step off here. Get these all plated up. Do my world famous YouTube thumbnail. And we're going to come back and give these an awesome try. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Look at these here. Tell me that ain't no good eating right here, y'all. I'm fooling around here. I'm just getting me a little salsa here. With some bread on it. We're gonna make us a little fold over. Give us some little thin barbecue sauce here. Have different sauces for different things, y'all. Okay. I got one here right on the top here. Let's see how we gonna eat these. Let me show y'all here. Look at that. Put that on your table for your family. Get you some beans on there and some, oh Lord, this is falling off the bone here. See how that's falling apart? Put that little piece right here. Trying to find something with a little fat on it. A little fat right there at the end. Put that on there. Got a little barbecue sauce here on there. Get that fly out the way. And y'all know I don't eat the crust of the bread. Don't judge me. Look at this here. Look at that, y'all. We're going in. Oh. That's so tender. Flavorful. Oh my God. Look at that, y'all. It's falling apart tender. It had just fallen apart. Look at that, y'all. Going in here. Ain't that like a good pour over. That's why I like to eat it. Some bread. Maybe that sauce like that. Look at that, y'all. It's old school eating right here. Fly out my way. Flies know it's good. Ain't no one please do a video. Wow. That's that heat. A little heat from the pig shake. But it's not hot, y'all. Just got that good flavor. Yeah, y'all. You do this right in your oven. Right in your oven, y'all. They think you've been out on the pit all day. I'm gonna eat nice ribs. My God. So flavorful. Look at that. The honey glaze is stick on there. Finger looking good. Finger looking good. Alright, y'all. Let me close this video out. I'll be making a couple more fold overs. Don't judge me. Alright. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023. Just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. The next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.